Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find the job board in the Paycom app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Paycom app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. If you haven't, enter your company ID, username and password, then tap login. If you have set up Face ID or Touch ID, you can use that too. It's even faster. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom of the screen or at the top left of the screen, tap the menu button. It looks like three lines stacked on top of each other. Now scroll down until you see job board, tap on it to open. Here you will see a list of job posting available with your company. You can tap on any job to see the full description, requirements and details. If you find a job you are interested in, just tap apply. Follow the steps on screen to submit your application right from your phone. And that's it. Now you know how to find and use the job board in Paycom mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.